All right, so I have a 16 Nissan Frontier SV, and this was the problem. And very loud sound that I was hearing, it was due to the fact that I had a bad fan clutch. So what I'm gonna post is pretty much not how to replace it, but pretty much what it sounds like before and after. So if you're coming across the same kind of a problem, the same sound, nice chances are it's going to be your fan clutch. So I noticed not only the sound, but also I lost a lot of power, especially when I was going up hills. I felt like the car didn't have enough power. So this is it, bad fan clutch. The fan never stops, and the more gas you give it, the faster it spins, and it's got that really loud roar sound. I'm gonna try to give it a little gas. Alright, so I'm gonna try to replace the clutch fan and see if the sound stops. All right, I just replaced the fan clutch, and I just want to show what it sounds like after the fact. I'm gonna turn it on and I rev it up a couple of times so you can see the difference if you had the same issue as me. So it starts up, it spins fast, and then it kind of slows down a little bit. I'm gonna rev it up. And a really loud, like, sound. It sounds like a school bus. It's gone. So it was a fan clutch.